I see you picked some new values for the company. Man, they look great and should really help drive our mission and strategy. I'm thinking that in order to really help our employees live the values and cultures and have the ability to make good decisions, we should probably make people aware of where we have blind spots in the company. I recommend that you revamp the entire soft skill training program we have. I would suggest you need an additional 40 hours of training, and I highly recommend that you use the MBTI personality preferences. We can discuss the details later, but I do know a great facilitator who can help run it. You know what? Let me explain a little bit about this. The MBTI team table is a great way to identify blind spots in decision making. It's separated into 16 different boxes based on extrovert versus introvert. That's how you get your source of energy. Sensing versus intuition. That's how you take in your information. Thinking versus feeling. That's how you really make your decisions as an individual. And then judging versus perceiving. That's kind of your lifestyle side, if you will. You'll notice there's also columns at the very bottom. If you go down in the columns here, there's things at the bottom that talk about how people make decisions, and it's kind of labeled depending on where they fall in the boxes. We can see that each of the columns might have more people or less people, but they can help us identify if we have a blind spot for a certain type of thinker. Now, it would probably be a good idea for you as a team to know where your blind spots are as a C-suite. You'll notice I've left an MBTI chart in your office. Have you taken a look at it? Probably not. Well, why don't you do so now? So here's what I need you to do. Go look at the puzzle, complete the Sudoku style MBTI puzzle for preference boxes, and then have your entire team look at the descriptions of each of the boxes and self-identify where you belong on this table. Now, once you figure that out, like I said, I recommend 40 hours of training that you should go into the simulation and actually input 40 hours of training. Once you've added the 40 hours and completed the puzzle, self-identified, come on back and watch video number 4.